All right. So today we'll be looking at top and down analysis on GBP USD. We made this analysis earlier today, so I just had to clear up my chart, so we would have to redo it for the sake of today's class. So over the past few days, let me not say, okay, probably up to a week now, we've been seeing that GBP USD has been pushing towards the upside. Now, as opposed to the downward move it made some weeks ago. So we'll be looking into this market to see what we'll do on this market. If we are going to enter for a buy or for a sell, we'll try to look for our opportunities into this market. Now, before we do anything, first we want to make sure that we are using the higher time frame. We start with the top and down analysis. So we make sure we are using the higher time frame on this market. We don't just want to start from, now we are currently on the 1 hour chart. We don't just want to start from the 1 hour and start taking our trade and all. No, we need to check other time frames. We see how the market is reacting from the higher time frame. Then from there we bring it to the lower time frame and make our analysis. So I'm going to start from the daily time frame because I am a day trader. I don't like my trades to exceed over 24 hours and all that. Let me quickly clear this chart so we'll have a clean chart here. All right. So now this is what we are seeing on the daily now. This is what we are seeing on the daily. Some could say this market is in a big range. Some could say that this market is trending up, down. There's a lot of things going on this market, but based off from what I'm seeing here, we can mark this support we have here, mark this resistance we have here. Let me stretch this out so that it will be properly stretched to this point. So based off of this now, if you know your structure, you can tell that what this market is doing is this market was pushing up. Look at it, it was pushing up. Then it got to a point where it started to struggle. That's why we see this range. That's what the market is doing now. It's ranging. So it got to a point and the market started to range. So we have a ranging market here. This market is ranging. So this market is ranging. Now where this market is currently is at the support level. So if we want to enter this market, now, we'll be looking to push it. Because I'm a day trader, I wouldn't target this very high, which is this our resistance here. I won't target this very high because I'm a day trader. So I just want to look for something that within a day I'm out of the trade. So based off of what we are seeing now on this daily time frame and the market is at the support level, I would want to look for a buy for this market. I would want to look for a buy into this market. So let me also mark another support where this market reacted from over here. So this is the support the market used to push up, and you can see if I zoom into this, let me adjust my support to this side and we check this now, the movement the market has made here. Where's my PART2? Now we can see a shift or a change in structure over here. You can see a change in structure, and this pattern is forming. Some would even call it the W pattern. Let's use the line chart to see that. Some would call it the W pattern, which is this over here, and normally